So, hello everyone. Once again, welcome back. So, in this topic, I teach you what is the variable in the C language and all the things, how to create the variables. And so, let's start. So, variable is the name of the memory location. It is used to store data. So, simple means that it is the some particular memory location where we insert the some particular data. There are some data. So how to insert the data and what is the variable? Here you can see I write the here is the type is means data types. What is the data type? I cover in the upcoming video. Don't worry. And here is the variable list, not variable list, variable name. So here we writing the variables name and here the data type. It is all about the variables. So how to write the variables? Let's open my VS Code and explain you in the details. So let's start. So this is our first program. If you're not watching my first video, what is the Java, what is the history, sorry, what is the C language, what is the history of the C language and the feature of the C language, so you can watch my first video. This is the second video in C language. So let's start. I create another class, another file. This name is variable.c, and the variable to C, first I need to include studio studio.h, and here I simply write int main. In the int main, I simply create some variable. Suppose I want to create one variable, this name is a. So if int a, this is called the variable. This is the type. I am using the int type, and here is the name of the variable. What is the int type and all the things I cover in the upcoming video. Don't worry about this. So this is called as a variable names, which is assigned by the some our memory location. And if I store in the something in the a, it is automatically stored in the particular a position in the memory location. So it is called, let's suppose I assigning the a equal to 10. So in the memory location 10 is automatically assigned in the variable a. So this is all about the variables. Some you can say some naming conventions, yeah, something, some rule of the follow as the variable. So let's talk about the rule. What is the rules of the variables? So if you want to create one variable, let's suppose I create int a, it is allowed to create the variable, but you can't able to create something like that. If what is the if, it is the keyword. You cannot create the variable name as the keyword name. What is the keyword, I cover in the upcoming video. Don't worry about this. The first one is we can't create the name of the variable as the keyword. Keyword is simply can say the keyword is a predefined predefined words which is already know about the our C language, our compiler. So we can't able to use this in as the variables. So first rule is this one: we can't use the variable name as the keyword names. And second was the first letter of the variables is not is the numeric. If I write the write this type on the 1a, he give the error. Here you can see the it is the red line, so it is giving me the error. So second things one, and third one is if I write create a variable name as a space b, he he treated as a two variables, one not two variables, he treated as a c, which give me also as error because we don't provide the space between the variables. So this is the third one. This is third one, three rules which variables have to follow. So in simple word, we don't use the we don't simply write the we don't use keywords. Keyword don't don't use first letter first le, sorry first letter as numeric number. I simply write the number. And third one, don't use space between between variables. Don't use the space between the variables, sorry. So this is all about three rules. Or this is, you can see here I am writing the all the things in the green line. This is called as a called as a comment. If you using double slash, suppose here I am writing the double slash, it is the automatically comment it. So this is all about the comment, how to write the comment in the C language. You simply double slash, you can put the double slash and write anything as a treated as the slash. If you want to create as the multi-level comment, you simply use this, sorry, in the sorry, in the multi-level comment you can use here, simply I use less. Here you can see this is called as a multi-level comment. I put in control X and put in here, this is called as multi-level comment, and in here I write anything, is it is treated as a comment. You can see this is a called the multi-level comment, and this is called as the single lens comment. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, so please like this video and the comment with this video. And the next video I will upload it related to the data type. What is the data type? So don't worry about this. In this playlist I cover all the important things related to the C language, so don't worry about this. Thank you.